Hey everybody, welcome back. Todd here. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Today I thought I would talk a little bit about our motorcycles. Laura has a classic Honda. It's a 1975. It's a CB400F, and I've got a 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Rod 750. So let me show you a little bit about these bikes and what they look like and talk a little bit more about them. So there's my Harley-Davidson Street Rod. It's 750, 2017, but I bought it brand new just this past winter. It had 350 miles on it, 346 miles, something like that on it. So I was able to really pick it up at a great deal in January, and it still has factory warranty on it until November, and then from there I purchased a 2-year warranty beyond that. So really I've got 2.5 years of warranty on it, which is great, bumper to bumper. And I'm still in the break-in period right now, so I'm trying to close in on 1,000 miles, and at this point I think I've got a little bit north of 725 miles on it. And so far it's been great. So that's my ride. And then over here is Laura's classic Honda. The shadows aren't probably going to do it any favors. This was a restoration. The bike belonged to her brother, and he passed away, and it was passed on to Laura. It was in really tough shape. And last year in 2020, we, through a family friend, did a lot of work on it and did a complete restoration on the bike. So it's that Honda Super Sport CB400F 1975. Classic Honda. Of course, this is carbureted, so you got a choke and carburetor. All the 1975 technology on there. As far as original miles, 21,884 miles on it. So we'll be doing some riding this year, and we'll take you along for some of the rides. I thought I would take a spin today, so I'll be firing this thing up and we'll go for a little ride. Okay, today's about 80 degrees out. I'm wearing my HWK motorcycle jacket. It's really actually pretty cool to ride in, you know, once we get going. Got a Scorpion helmet, got some Harley-Davidson motorcycle glasses. The big thing about the glasses are, if I'm going to ride with the visor up, they're shatterproof. So if I take a stone or something like that to the eye, it's going to prevent it from, you know, shattering on me. And so, you know, got to ride with your safety gear on. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Okay, I'll turn down. So I'm safely back from my trip. I took a 48-mile bike ride and went up, got an ice cream cone, and then took the back roads through some small towns and country roads and that kind of thing. It was a really nice ride. Breezy day, but all in all, light traffic, just a good day to be out. And so, hey, I appreciate you tagging along. You know, this wasn't a moto vlog, not really intended to be. There's enough of those out there. You don't really need me trying to do those, but we will be doing some videos this summer. Laura and I riding our bikes and just destinations and things like that. So, you know, tag along. Appreciate it if you would. Give me that, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.